Welcome to my channel Raza Cool in English. So friends, in today's video I want to tell you that if your AC is of LG company and its swing flap is not working and the swing flap is not closing while closing the AC, so today in this video I will tell you how you can fix the swing flap at your home very easily. Open the swing flap with a light hand and take it out. Also take out the broken part of swing flap. After breaking that part remains in AC only. Now try to fix the broken part in the swing flap. After that, with the help of an Excel blade, make a light circle in the motor stuck part of the swing flap. Keep in mind that the circle should not be too deep. After that you make the broken part of the swing flap by peeling it lightly in rounds. After that you connect the broken part of the swing flap to the swing flap and stick it with Fevikwik. Now you take the old wire and now peel it a little longer. After that you separate only two wires from inside the wire and mix them together. After that wrap the wire twice in the swing flap in the rounded part with the Excel blade. Now tighten it with cutting pliers and cut off the extra wire and put some Fevikwik on top of it. Now attach the swing flap to the indoor unit with light hands. Now you run the AC and see that the swing flap of your AC has become the same as before and it has started working perfectly. Hope you have understood the information given by me. Then do like my video.